In this video, I will show you how to sew an off-shoulder bustier dress with frill as inspired by the one at the left hand side. In my last video, I shared with you how to draft and cut it. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. I will start with the bottom, that is skirt area. So I will sew the dart. So after sewing the dart, this is how it looks, and I've ironed them as well. I will open the front panel and place the lining right sides facing each other. Then I will sew the side or close the side. So I'll do the same for the back and the front. So after sewing, I'll turn and iron them. This is one of the back panel. So I've already ironed this one and the front panel. I'll close the waist area ½ inch and the knee area as well for both the back and the front panel, because we have to join the frill at the bottom, the knee line, and at the waistline we have to join the bodies to it. So I've already closed the zip area by 1 inch and the waistline and the knee line as well. I'll mark the measurement now on the back panel. So the waist is 37 inches divided by 4 is 9 2/4. So I'll mark it from the center back, that is from the zipper area. I'll mark it on both sides like so. Then I'll mark the knee line. It's 9 inches from the waistline. So I'll mark it on both sides. Then for the hip measurement, the hip is 46 divided by 4. I have 11.5 inches. So I'll mark it on that knee line. I'll mark it on both sides from the center back, that is from the zipper area. So on the knee line, I'll mark 11 inches. That I reduce 5 inches from the hip line. So I'll mark it on both sides as well. So I'll connect the points like this. I will turn it to the right side. Then I'll place the front panel right sides facing each other. Then I'll go and sew on the lines to join them. After joining, this is how it looks. I've also ironed it neatly. This is the back and this is the front. For the bodies, I've padded the bust area of the front panel. This is how they look. I will go and join them now together. I've also ironed ST on all the linings, the back and the front linings. I will sew the dart for the back as well. So this is how they look. I've already sewed the dart for the back panel, both of them. For the front panel, I've also closed the dart for the lining and also for the main fabric. You see the cup on the bust? Beautiful. So I'll notch this area, then I will iron it. This is for the strap. I have 11 inches. So remember we went down by 5 inches for the off shoulder. So 5 plus 5, that is 10, that is for the back and the front, plus 1 inch to attach them to the bodies. So I have 11 inches and the width is 6 inches. On fold it will be 3 because I want 2.5 inches for the strap and the half is for joining. So I'll fold it like this and I'll sew ½ inch and iron it. This is it. I'll turn it over like this to iron. I've already done the one. So this is how it looks. Mark 0.5 inches on both ends of the two straps. I'll use it to join to the bodies. I'll do the same for the other strap. I fold the front panel like so. Then from the center front at the top, I marked 5.5 inches, which is the measurement of one bra point to the other point. That divide by 2. That is 11 inches divided by 2. Then I'll mark it on the other side like so. Then I'll open it and place the strap right side facing to the bodies in front of the 5.5 inches mark. Then I'll pin it. The 5.5 inches mark that is going towards the center front. I'll do the same for the other end. Pin them down, then I'll go and sew on the half-inch mark. Then I'll do the same for the back panel. I'll mark 5.5 inches. I'll mark the 5.5 inches on both sides, starting from the zipper area. I place the strap on the back panel the same way I placed it on the front panel. And I'll pin it down. Then I'll go and sew half-inch. This is how they are looking after joining the straps. I marked on the lining half-inch on the top and at the side. To join the lining to the main fabric, I'll pull the back panel like so. Then I'll place the lining right sides facing each other. So then I will top stitch. After sewing and top stitching the upper part of the front panel, I will repeat the same for the back. Pull the front panel down, then I'll sew and top stitch the upper part of the back panel. Then after that, I will close the sides of both of them. This is how it looks. I've top stitched the top and I've closed the sides. This is the front and this is the back panel. I've also top stitched. I'll also close the zipper area. So for the down part, I'll sew half-inch to close it for both the back and the front panel. I will join the back panel with the zipper allowance and iron it. I realized that the straps were big, so I reduced them to 1.5 inches and lower the back panel by 1 inch and use bias to turn it. I have these 4 strips. They measure 5 inches by 1.5 inches to put to the straps area. 1.5 width and the length is 5 inches. So I'll close them like this. Close the top and the bottom, then I'll open. This is how it will be. So I'll do that. This is how they look. Then I'll turn it. I've already turned the 3. I'll show you how I turn it. I'll iron them neatly. Then I'll place them like this. I'll have to attach buttons on them. I turn the back, right side facing the front, and I'll mark the measurements. Her waist is 37 inches divided by 4. I have 9 to quarter, so I'll mark on both sides. From the zipper allowance, that is the center back. The bust is 42 inches divided by 4. I have 10.5 inches. So I'll mark at the top on both sides. To connect the point, and I'll close the sides. This is how it looks, and I've also ironed it neatly. See the cup is looking nice. I will now join the bodies to the skirt, and to do that, I will open the zipper allowance for both of them. Then I will notch the center back and the center front. So I'll join the notches together like so and pin. I'll put them right sides facing each other and pin. I pinned it right through, making sure that the sides are lined. Then I'll sew ½ inch allowance. So this is it. I've joined them. I've also fixed the zipper. For the frill, I measured the knee line and I have 22 inches. 22 multiplied by 12, 44. It's 2 layers, one here and the other at the knee line. I've cut out the strips. I have two 93 inches long and 7 inches wide for both of them. I will gather them like so. The width is 7 inches, so this is it. So I went up by 4.5 inches to attach the second layer. It's so beautiful. So this is the back and this is the front. I also made these flowers. Thank you for watching and I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.